What's it? Okay, dear friends, today we will discuss about the DI, data interpretation. We discussed about the two topics before. What are the topics completed? Percentages and
Ratios and proportions.
yes, ratio and proportion. So these topics are useful in that DI. So we'll see that how the problems, we'll discuss about the problems one by one. Here data interpretation, passage problems. Here 1 to 3 questions are given. We'll see that the following table shows the percentage, profit percentage is given and by two companies A and B during the year 2011 to 2015. So according to given data, we have to find 3 questions, 1 to 3 questions. See what is the given the table. Year is given 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15. Company A and Company B. This is a profit percentage. Company A in 2011 20% and B is 30. Next year 2012 35 and 40, like that is given. So one hint also is given. We don't expect they will give a hint. In examination they won't give any hints. But in examination sample paper na, so the hint is given where profit percentage is equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. Remember that? Income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. By expenditure into 100. But here into 100 by expenditure, don't confuse. Income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. That is it. This is no need, don't use this. So profit percentage is equal to percentage of profit is equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. By application of this formula, we have to answer the given question. See here, if the total expenditure of two companies was 9 lakh in the year 2012 and the expenditure of A and B were in the ratio 2:1 is given. The ratio of expenditure of both companies is given 2:1. The total expenditure was 9 lakh in the year 2012. What we have to find, then what was the income of the company A in the year 2012. Here observe that 2012 company A 35 lakhs is the profit and B company 40 lakhs is the profit. Then according to what was the income of the company A? Income we have to find. How to find? Application of this one. Observe that 2012 profit is 35 and 40 is given. The ratio of A and B is 2:1 is given. The total expenditure was 9 lakh is given. We have to find. See that how to find out that?
Yeah, ask the income, sir.
Yeah.
Wrong. First wrong.
See here. Ratio is 2:1 is given. This is A and B. The ratio of A and B expenditure this is.
9 lakhs.
So total is 9 lakhs.
6 lakh is to 3 lakh.
Total 9 lakh.
6 lakh is to 3 lakh.
So A's expenditure is equal to A part divided by total sum of the ratio 3 into 9. So 3 ones, 3 threes. So 6 lakh. This is expenditure of A. A's expenditure is 6 lakh. Now we don't know that. We know that percentage. What is the profit percentage of the 2012?
30.
The company A is 35 is given. So how to take that one? 35
Percentage of 6.
percentage is equal to income. What is the income?
X.
We don't know. Minus
6 lakhs.
expenditure 6 lakhs
By 6 lakhs.
by 6 lakh
into
into 100.
35.
Cross multiplication will do 35 into 6. This 100 also we can make it that into 100 is equal to x minus 6. Calculation 5 sevens,
Total.
5 20s.
No.
Again cross multiplication we will take that 7 6 42 is equal to 20x minus 120 na? So 20x is equal to 42 plus, so 142, 120 plus 42, 162, sorry, 162. X is equal to 162 by
8.1.
20, 2 tens, 2 eights, 2 ones. So 8.1 lakh is the X. X means income minus expenditure into 100. Now what is that? According to that, what is the answer? Which one is the answer?
B.
B is the answer. 8.1 lakh is the answer. Once again, the two companies A and B is given. The profit percentage of A and B in the 2012 is given. Company A is 35, company B is 40. A is to B. That is the expenditure ratio is given 2:1, and that expenditure was 9 lakhs is given. So what is the expenses of A company? A part divided by total ratio into total expenditure to get the 6 lakh. Application profit percentage. Percentage of profit is equal to income minus expenditure by expenditure into 100. We don't know income. X to take. Expenditure is 6, 35. Cross multiplication that, and we get that the X value 8.1 lakh is the X means income. Friends, okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
And
Shall we go for the another problem?
Yes, sir.
company
See, company A is 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 35, 40, 50, 25, 35. What was the average percentage profit earned by the company B? What was the average percentage of company B? Average percentage profit by the company B.
sum of observations and number of
Average na? Average means what?
sum.
We have to take
Sum of observations.
Yes.
by
Sum of observations by
105,
number of observations.
160.
So total observations, how many is there by company B? What we get the total?
5, 3 is a 15, 40, 38%.
10, 8,
190, sir.
190 na?
38. 38.
190. So how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Average is equal to, average percentage profit is equal to 190 by how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. 5 ones, 5 threes, 15, 5 fours,
8. 40.
15, 5 eights, 5 eights, 40. 5 threes, 15 plus 4. So the answer is 38 percentage. See, we'll check that which is the answer.
B.
Answer
C.
C is the answer. 38 percentage. So we got it. I think all the all the students, you copied this problem. So you have to copy the problem also. That table, just you can draw the table, you'll get that. Otherwise, screenshot you can take it. The first problem, you can take your screenshots. Later you can understand that.
We will share the video.
Otherwise, later I will share that this problem completely by through WhatsApp. Yeah. What is the problem? You can read yourself. See the problem. What is that?
In which year the percentage profit earned by the company B?
In which year the
percentage
percentage of profit earned by the company B is less than that of company A?
B should be less than A.
In which year the percentage profit earned by company B is less than that of company B?
A.
Less than that of company. Which year? 12, 13, 14, 15.
We have to see.
Just you see that table. Which year?
13.
B, see that 20 and 30 more. 35, 40 more.
2013.
Yes, 2013. Because 2013, here A company is 45. This is less. Other years, 30 is more than A, 40 is more than 50 is more than 40, 35 is more than 20. So 1 year, which year? 2013. In the year 2013, the profit percent of B is less than that of A.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Option B.
So option B is the correct answer. Yeah. Now another problem. Look at the problem. Question 4 to 6. Number of people, different age groups are given at 15 to 20, 21 to 30 and 31 plus years. They are very good interest in the style of music. Using by information, we have to solve the problems 4 to 6. 4, 5, 6. 3 problems will be. The 3 problems we have to solve. What is given here? Musical item is given. Style of music is classical, pop, rock, jazz, blues, hip hop, ambient. 15. What? Yeah, we'll see that. 15 to 20, 6, 7, 6, 1, 2, 9, 2. These are the types of musical style of music. 21 to 30 years, how many students? And 31 plus, this is the data, given data. If you write this data, easy to solve the problems. Can you copy this problem? Just data. Classic, pop, rock, jazz, blues, hip hop, ambient. కనిపిస్తుంది కదా అందరికి?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you copy this one, 15 to 20, 6, 7, 6, 1, 2, 9, 2, and 21 to 30, 4, 5, 12, 4, 3, 3, 2, 31 plus 17, 5, 14, 11, 15, 4, 2. So, okay, now we'll see that what is the problem. Approximately what percentage of the total sample were aged 21 to 30? Approximately what percentage of the total sample were aged 21 to 30?
All we have to add 21, 30, how much percentage?
Approximately what percentage of the total sample were aged 21 to 30?
20,
మొత్తం డేటా ప్రకారం 21 to 30 వాళ్ళు ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ లో ఉన్నారు?
అంటే
ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ పర్సెంటేజ్ బట్ యావరేజ్ కూడా చేసుకోవాలి.
yes 6, 7, 13, 6, 19, 20, 29,
So percentage on what?
29,
Approximately what percentage of the total sample were aged 21 to 30? 21 to 30, these are the people,
22, 22, 32, 36, 36.
these are the students. What is the percentage of these age people overall, all the students?
47, 57,
So what we have to do?
57, 43, 54,
So total we have to make it. What is the total of this one?
68, 33 first one,
So what is this total? How much?
33,
9 plus 1, 10.
33, sir.
33 na?
9,
Yeah,
21,
good.
25,
Here also.
25,
What is that?
31, 33, 68,
This also 33. This total how much?
68,
Total how much the last column? 31 plus
68, sir.
68. Now what is the total of that one? 33, 33, 68. How much?
134,
134. Overall 134 students are there.
So red ink is not visible, sir.
Okay, then I can change this. Green, okay?
green okay sir.
Green is okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Right.
134 directly.
So 134 after adding 33, 33 and 68. 134. 33, 33, 68. Total 134. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now what the problem is, see that approximately what percentage of the total sample were aged 21 to 30. So what is that 21 to 30? 33 is there. So 33 by total 134 into 100 percentage. This is it. If calculate approximately, you will get
So it's around 25%, sir.
around 25%.
Rough, sir.
Yeah, approximately only we have to find.
Yes.
Yeah, they asked that approximately, not exactly. Okay.
25.6
33 by 134 into 100.
6 8,000 sir.
So 25% will be. So option C is the correct answer. Option
C.
C is correct answer. Approximately.
So what's the actual answer?
No. They are asking that approximately mean 24 point something will get. I think 24.6. I think.
So more than, it's between 23 and 25, sir.
No. I think 24 plus will get. I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
24 plus means 25.
25 around.
24.8 something.
24.6 or 7 will get. See.
Yes, sir.
So in examination, don't think they will provide the calculator. So we have to do ourselves. So be thorough while calculating. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll go for the next question. Approximately what percentage of the total sample indicates that hip hop is their favorite
Music.
style of music? Hip hop. Approximately what percentage of the total sample indicate? Total sample అంటే ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు టోటల్ sample లో
134.
134 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. దాంట్లో హిప్ హాప్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు చూసుకోవాలి.
Last of the 6.
టోటల్ హిప్ హాప్. సో హిప్ హాప్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు?
9.
హిప్ హాప్
7.
9 plus 3, 12 plus 4,
16.
16 is there. So 16.
134.
How to take?
12%.
16 by 134 to 100.
134 into 100 is the percentage.
So it's more than 10%.
More than 10%?
Maybe 12 or 13%.
12%.
So may I see the options?
Yeah, sure. So 6%, 8%, 14% and 12%.
12.
It's 12%.
Yes, 12%. It is a 12%. You got it? 12% is the answer. So 16 by 134
8.
into 100 will get the answer. The next. The problem is another one. What percentage of the respondents age 31 plus indicated the favorite style other than the classical music? Other than the classical music plus 31 plus. 31 plus ఉన్న వాళ్ళలో
68
classical
minus
music తప్ప అన్నారు.
Classical minus 68 minus classical.
So classical ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు టోటల్?
Don't know. You have to check.
33, sir.
33 is there.
Classical ఎంత?
31 లో టోటల్
17.
31 ఇయర్స్ లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు?
70.
68, sir.
68 ఉన్నారు.
దాంట్లో classical 17.
68 ఉన్నారు.
68 minus 17.
సో వితౌట్ క్లాసికల్ అంటారు. క్లాసికల్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు?
17.
17 ఉన్నారు. సో వితౌట్ 17 వితౌట్ వాట్ వి గెట్?
51.
సో 68 minus 17. How much?
51.
51.
1, sir.
What the percentage that total?
Wait, sir. 1 minute.
51 by
34.
134.
134 into 100. Without classical అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 31 లో 17 subtract from 68. So 68 minus 17, 51 by total sample is 134. So 51 by 134 into 100.
So it's less than 40%.
Less than 40.
Yes, sir.
102.
Calculations. Yeah. Calculations బాగా చేయాలి, కరెక్ట్గా చేయాలి చూడండి. Other people also. Approximately how much you got it? Second?
So if we see it's less than 40%,
Less than 50, no?
40%, sir.
40.
So 48 and 49, sir.
So options are given 64, 60, 75 and 50.
Sir, it is 100 divided by 2.6 to something we are getting.
So what is that? 51 by
134 into
134
Yes, sir.
into 100.
51 ones are
So 51, 1, 2 zeros
by
divided by 134. 3
3
times will go, 4 times,
times.
3 times. 3 or 4? 4. 4 ones, 4 threes, 12. Yeah. 4 times. 4 16, 4 threes, 12, 13. 4 1 is 5, 536. So
More
I think
I think somewhere it's not 51, I think it's possible.
yeah.
sir, denominator will be
So denominator also we have to subtract from total overall, no?
yes, sir.
We have to reduce that 134 minus 17 kada?
Yes, sir.
Without classical magic kada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Total also.
Yeah, so 51 by 134 minus 17.
117.
117 into 100. So 5100 divided by 117. 4 times.
4 times.
468. So we will get that according to options 64, 60, 75, 50 approximately. So it is on 50% is the correct answer.
Yes.
49 point will get.
Yes.
23, 239 are. Huh? Wait, just a minute.
Yeah. Yes? 43. So approximately what percentage nearly according to answer what is given?
50.
50% is given. Approximately only these all problems. 40 plus nearest value what is that? 50%. So okay?
42%.
Now 7 to 9 some another graph is given. Bar graph, multi-bar. Study the following graph carefully, answer the question 3 to 5.
Bar graph.
Quantity in lakh tons. This represent quantity in lakh tons and value in crore of rupees. Value in crore rupees. Value is given. This is a value and quantity. Quantity and value is given.
Okay, so
Quantity. This represent square boxes represent the quantity and circle boxes represent value. Value of quantity
Rupees.
in rupees crores. Let's see that what is the problem. Identify that 200, 2003, 2004, 5, 6, 7, 15, 25, 25, 15, 25 quantity and 50
Price.
value. 50 value, 50 quantity and 35 and 25. So what is the problem? How they gave? We'll see that.
In which the quantity of engineering
Yes.
goods
In
was-
which year the quantity of engineering goods exports was maximum?
2006.
Maximum దేంట్లో ఉన్నాయి?
2006.
2007, so 35 lakhs.
But here, in which the quantity na
Yes, sir, yes.
50, 2000?
6, sir.
Yes, 2006 is the answer. So 2006 is the answer. So B is the answer. Because of 1B is 50 lakhs and 50 crores.
Okay, sir.
The next problem, see that 8th problem.
In which year the value of engineering goods
In which
decreased
year
by 50%?
the value,
Previous
now
year.
before this quantity is given, now the value means graph 2 circles one decreased by 50% company compared to the previous year. 50% decrease అయినది. అది ఎక్కడ డిక్రీజ్ అయింది? విచ్ ఇయర్ లో డిక్రీజ్ అయింది?
2006, 2007, so.
2006 to 2007.
Value
వాల్యూ డిక్రీజ్డ్. చూద్దాం ఇక్కడ.
25,
Here-
15. No.
Here how much decreased? 10% decreased. Now here to here there is no changes as it is will be. Then here to here 25 difference is there. 2006 to 2007 it was decreased. Decreased, na? How much decreased? 25
25 by 15 to 100.
by 50 into 100. 25 ones, 25 twos, 2 ones.
350%.
So 50 we got it.
Yes, sir.
అంటే 50లో హాఫ్ 25 కాబట్టి 25 అంటే 50% తగ్గినట్లే కదా. సో విచ్ ఇయర్?
2006, 2007.
ఎస్.
7.
సో దర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 2007లో తగ్గిన ఆన్సర్. సో 2007లో తగ్గిపోయింది కదా.
So what if he gives 2006 and 2000? What? Which option should we choose, sir?
సో ఏ ఇయర్లో తగ్గింది మీకు? 2007లో తగ్గిందా 2006లో తగ్గిందా?
2007, sir.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ దర్ ఆన్సర్?
Okay, sir, 2007.
ఎస్. సో 2007 is the correct answer. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. You go for another. In which year the quantity of exports was 100% higher than the quantity of the previous year? Previous year. Problem చదువుకోండి, అర్థమై చేసుకోండి ఫస్ట్. In which year the quantity of exports was 100%? 100%. Here the quantity. In which year the quantity of exports was 100% higher than the quantity of the previous year? Comparison of quantity, then higher than 100% higher than the previous year.
Okay, sir.
We will check this. Data we have checked. In which one?
Is it quantity or
Quantity only. The problem is in the quantity.
2006.
100%.
2005, sir?
2005 to 2006. This is 50 by 50 into 100 na 100%.
25.
Yes.
So 2004, 2005.
2004 to 2005, 25 is there. And here 100% na only quantity na.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here 25 to 25 is there. And here also there.
Sir,
There is no. So 2004 to 2005.
Sir, 2004 to 2005 no increase. 2005 to 2006 25 increase, 100% increase. That's it.
Yes, and 2005 to 2006 will check. Then
increase and
how much increase? 25.
50% increase, so
By
100% increase.
25 by 25 into 100. Because of we have to calculate by the previous year. Previous year, present year. So here also the 25 by 25 into 100%. Here 25, 100% increase na. 25 to 50. So difference is 25 once. So 100%.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 2004
Is it here?
can't take.
So we'll check that what is the answer. According to options, we'll check.
2006, sir.
Yes. In which year the quality export comparing చేసుకుంటే previous years comparing చేసుకుంటే 100% ఏది 2000?
6.
Yes, 2006 is the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Another one.